A Ray of Hope this week captures the story of how a disabled woman in St. Thomas is helping others to see beyond their limitations. Kelisha Williams tells us more.
A ray of hope.
Living your life without the use of your legs could be very difficult. But for Cora Moore, it's not an insurmountable obstacle. The 36-year-old mother of two has found a way to make life work while she provides for her family. Her tenacity to persevere has proven that her condition is not enough to keep her grounded.
Well, I'm going to say this to you. I know my responsibility as a mother. So that is what drives me. I have person depending on me. I have children depending on me, really.
The former early childhood educator was diagnosed with osteomyelitis, a disease that affects the bone. Following several attempts to correct the problem, she lost both legs. That moment became a test for her, and she spent more than 6 years operating from a wheelchair. She wondered whether her appetite for success would return, and with time, it did.
Trust me, the future is bright for me and my children. Because once I get help, I am out there helping others and helping myself, helping my children to the fullest of my ability. That is who I am. My motivation comes from within.
Despite the many challenges, she is determined to carry on with her life.
In the near future, I want to be mobilized again. I want to be walking. I want to get those 2 prosthetic legs and walking. You know, I want to even go back to college to pursue a degree in straight mathematics. That is where I see myself in the near future.
Miss Moore is encouraging others not to allow the circumstances of the past to ruin their future.
I know what I want.
And what is that?
To be able to walk again, go out there and to help others. And my children, I must say.
Miss Moore, who is a poultry farmer, wants people to see her story and understand that there's life after being disabled. Kelisha Williams with A Ray of Hope.